over there.
Inside? Okay.
Yeah. When you're steering the street, you can go ahead full speed, accelerate, 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 accelerate. Just release gas. Keep your speed like this. A little bit up the left like this. Accelerate now. Again, accelerate. Just release gas again. Don't brake.
Okay, don't brake.
And here, full speed. Accelerate, 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 accelerate. Release, brake. Downshift 2 times. Like this. Keep your left. Accelerate full speed now. Accelerate. Brake a little bit. And return at the right.
Okay.
You have to stay a little bit at the left in this corner for better turn and right.
Okay.
We say the apex angle.
Okay.
Accelerate here.
Okay.
Just release gas. Keep your speed. Okay. Accelerate here. Again. Downshift 1 time. Okay, when you're steering the street again, you're full speed now. Accelerate, accelerate, shift, accelerate, release. Full speed, like this. Nice one. Accelerate here. Release. Go ahead, full speed. Accelerate, accelerate, accelerate. Release. Brake more, brake, brake, brake. Downshift 2 times. Don't forget to turn very short here. Yeah, keep your left, accelerate, a bit on the left again, and turn on the right. Same thing, keep your left for better turn right.
There you go.
Okay, nice man, accelerate. And after we do the 2 laps, we go inside the pit. You like this?
Yeah, it's very good, man.
Just here.
Well, I'm a bit scared, man, to drive that at a high speed. Like, that's why I was not accelerating so much.